Welcome to Office 24 by 7. In today's video, we're going to understand how to simplify outbound calling using the click-to-call feature. Making outbound calls efficiently is crucial for maintaining engagement with leads and customers, saving time for your agents, and ensuring all interactions are tracked properly in your CRM. Click-to-call helps your team initiate calls directly from the system, eliminating the need for manual dialing or switching between devices. I have already configured this feature in the system. Let's open the click-to-call setup to see how it works. This feature is available as an add-on in your Cloud Telephony setup. Once enabled, admins can assign it to specific users or teams who need outbound calling access. To do this, go to the add-ons and click on CTC number assignment. Select the required users and save the configuration. This ensures that only authorized users can make outbound calls using the integrated CTI panel. Once the feature is activated, agents can make outbound calls directly from the leads object. To initiate a call, the agent simply clicks on the ellipsis against the phone number next to the lead record and selects the phone number to initiate the call. The system automatically routes the call through the agent CTI panel. Call pop-up opens with the caller details, and once the call is completed, instantly recorded in the CRM, providing a complete log of customer interactions. We can see the call history in the activity under the Calls tab. The same click-to-call experience is available inside the Contacts object. Agents can reach out to existing customers or past leads by clicking the phone number next to the contact record. Again, the call connects through the integrated CTI panel, and the interaction is automatically logged under the contact's history. This ensures that all outbound communication, whether from new leads or existing contacts, is captured and tracked within the same system. The same click-to-call experience is available inside the Cloud Telephony. Agents can reach out to the callers by clicking ellipses against the phone number next to the caller number. Again, the call connects through the integrated CTI panel, and the interaction is automatically logged under the call history and in the activities under the calls. This ensures that all outbound communication, whether from new leads or existing contacts, is captured and tracked within the same system. Using click-to-call has several benefits. It saves time, reduces manual dialing errors, and ensures that every outbound interaction is properly documented. Agents can focus on having meaningful conversations with customers rather than worrying about logging or dialing numbers. That's it. This is how you can use the click-to-call feature in Office 24 by 7 to make faster, smarter, and more efficient outbound calls directly from your CRM.